Hello everyone, this is A. Mani Sharma, your favorite maths teacher, and you are watching solution for question number 16, exercise 6.3 of the topic triangles. Now let us see what is given in the question. If AD and PM, if AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Children, let us first draw the triangles so that we can do the required connections. Now see children, I have shown the triangles. Now see here, this is triangle ABC. See, this is triangle ABC and AD is your median. Okay, and this is triangle PQR where PM is your median. Now we have shown the triangles. Now what we have to show here? We have to show AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. This we have to show, and what is given to us? We have been provided with triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now first let us write what is given. Now see here, I am writing what is given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This much is given, and AD and PM are medians. AD and PM, these two are medians. So from the given part, how we can connect? See, AD and PM are medians means AD is the median of triangle ABC means BD is equal to CD, and in the same way PM is the median of triangle PQR means QM and MR, these two are equal. Okay, M is the midpoint. Now let us see how we can connect these things. Now triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. From this particular point, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, what do we get, children? From here we get AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, and this is equal to AC by PR. Okay. Now see here, since we have to include our AD and PM for the proof. See here, AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. In the proof we have to include AD by PM. We have to take these two, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Let us take this. Why BC by QR? Because on BC we have D and on QR we have M. So let us take this part. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Now let us work on BC and QR. Come on. Let us see how we can work on BC and QR. Children, now if you understand, see here how we can write BC. Now see, BC can be written as 2BD and QR can be written as 2QM. So from here what do you get? BC by QR is equal to BD by QM. We are getting here this one, and we know that AB by PQ, we know that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, is equal to BC by QR, and so this will become equal to BD by QM. I think this is clear. Now let us go to the triangles. Now see here, if you look at triangle ABD and triangle PQM, what we are getting? AB by PQ means AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. We are getting BD by QM. We are getting, if you are leaving this part and if you are considering AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, now so AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. If you take this as 2, this comes from 2. Okay. Now children, from the things given, what has been given to us? ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this angle B and angle Q must be equal because they are corresponding angles. So see, this B is equal to angle Q. So here also we can use that angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now if you take this as 3, from 2 and 3, AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. See here, AB, look at the triangle AB by PQ equal to how much? BD by QM. BD by QM, and angle B equal to angle Q. That means triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. PQM. So you can say that AB by PQ will be equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Hence proved.